Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Abdullah bin Utbah bin Masood reports that Hazrat Zayd bin Khalid Johni said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam led us in the morning prayer at Hudaybiyah, and it rained during the night of that morning. When the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam had finished the prayer, he faced the people and said, Do you know what your Lord the Almighty said? The people said, Allah Almighty and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam know the best. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, My bondmen awoke in the morning, and some of them remained believers, and some of them disbelieved in me. Whosoever said that it rained due to Allah's favor and blessing, believed in me and disbelieved in the stars. And whosoever said that such and such a star poured the rain, disbelieved in me and believed in the stars. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1038.